Isle of Skye, we climb all the way up here to see the famous lighthouse.
Least Point Lighthouse, yep. And you know what I said yesterday about if you don't like the weather, wait 10 minutes? We've been waiting about an hour and this cloud is setting, so it's so thick, the fog, you can't even see the lighthouse. It's down there on the peninsula. I mean, it's just, where's my finger's pointing at it, right? But you can't see it. I can barely see the roof through the fog, so on the camera you won't see it. So yeah, welcome to Scotland again. But we did have a great breakfast, sausages.
That Mark cooked up.
Homemade.
After driving for a while, we realized that we are quite far away from our Airbnb, so it's not worth it for us to drive all the way back to our base. We are driving around trying to find a campus spot that we could camp out, but we're unable to really find any place. So we decided to take advantage of the tent that came with our Defender and camp overnight. We are alive! We made it throughout the night.
Morning! So we did some wild camping last night because every campsite that we went, it was full and booked up. So we found this spot which is absolutely beautiful. Once I turn my camera around, well, come inside. Let me guys show you our crib. When you come inside, there is a bed that is good for 2 people. We had a comforter and a mattress, 2 pillows, and some amenity kits right there. There are some compartment area on top of here that you can put your phone and your keys, basically the stuff that you like to have with you up here at night. There is a side window on this side that you can open up. There is also a mesh if you, luckily it's very breezy right now because the midget, those little teeny mini bugs are really bad here. You can just open the zipper and it still have the mesh on, but I didn't have to do this, so I just went ahead and open up the window. And on the other side there is also another side window that you can open up too, and for now I just have that one closed up. So that was our crib. This was fun. It's breakfast time in Scotland, wild camping.
Morning all.
What's for breakfast, sweetie?
Well, camping law says you've got to have sausages for breakfast. So we've got sausages for breakfast.
Ah,
Sizzling in the pan.
Sizzling!
Yeah, they're cooking up nicely. We've got some hot water on to make the tea.
Of course, it's all about the tea.
It's all about the tea. And yeah, so we pulled over last night about 8 o'clock and pitched the tent up here, pitched the camper up here, put the tent up, the pop-top tent, and we had a good night. Although we did learn some things, didn't we, sweetie?
We sure did learn some camping lesson.
We learned some camping lessons. Camping lesson number 1 is that the mattress that comes with these things isn't as comfortable as you think it's going to be. We both woke up a little bit stiff this morning from the mattress pad. Camping lesson number 2, always leave one of the vents open on the tent, because although it was raining here last night, just a little bit of misty rain, and the tent is waterproof, we zipped up all of the vents, and the condensate on the inside then built up and was dripping on us all night. So that was lesson number 2. But other than that, we're having a fabulous time. I mean, the scenery is spectacular.
It's time to pack up and leave because the midget has arrived. I'm not sure if it's the breeze or they're attracted to the heat. If you stand on the side of the road, there is none. But where Mark is actually cooking the sausage, they're just attacking us. And in the morning, if you are wondering where do we go to wash up, so there is a facility right behind me. It's about 5 minutes driving from where we were staying at. So we're just gonna use the bathroom and wash our face. There is no shower there.
But I was still able to get ready for the photo shoot on the edge of the cliff.